Hi. Welcome to Portal 7. In this video I will show a quick way to transfer files between devices without any software installation. For that, make sure your devices are connected to the same local network. Here I have a laptop and a desktop. I will transfer files from one computer to another. Open browser and type sharedrop.io. This is the avatar for this desktop. Now open browser in second device and open sharedrop.io. The laptop is assigned a new avatar and it automatically discovers the laptop in the same local network. Thus, the two computers are connected. Now in desktop I will click on laptop avatar. Then I can choose the files which I want to send to laptop. Click on send. Click on accept in laptop. You can see 162 MB file is transferred within less than a minute. Same way you can send files from laptop to desktop. Not only that, you can also transfer files between your phone and computer or between phones. Here I will use a phone connected to the same local network as the other two computers. Now all three devices are connected to each other and can transfer files between them. For example, I will send a photo to phone. So this way, you can transfer files between devices without installing any software. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.